As we all know, DJI is the undisputed king of consumer and professional drones. And in order to maintain their top position, they consistently incorporate upgrades to the drone. Anyway, we haven't seen a drone from the Air series in a long time. The Air 2S was released in April 2021, making it more than a year old. So in today's video, we'll discuss some new information with the release date and what to expect from DJI for the upcoming Air 3. The DJI Air 2S is a high-performance drone. It's essentially a cross between the DJI Mavic and the DJI Mini series. It also has a balanced price tag when considering its features and styles. So as for the design, we don't see any reason to change it. The new folding shape is quite compact and easily fits into a backpack. Before we speculate on the DJI Air 3 specifications, keep in mind the market category that DJI is targeting with the Air 3, and that is content creators and hobbyists. Now, if DJI creates a slimmer body design for the next Air 3, it would be fantastic. Additionally, we've seen low-noise propellers in the Mini 3 Pro, which is actually standard for new drones. As a result, we may see it in the future Air 3. Another consideration is weight. The present Air 2S weighs 595 grams, and as technology shrinks and evolves, the DJI Air 3's weight might be reduced to 500 grams or even less. And we believe DJI already has a plan in place for this. Now, talking about the camera, the DJI Air 2S now has a 1-inch CMOS sensor capable of filming 5.4K films at 30 FPS and 4K videos at 60 FPS. It can even capture more light in low-light situations. Everything appears to be in order. However, we can expect a bigger sensor similar to the DJI Mavic 3's 4x3 CMOS with a physical aperture. As a result, the ability to capture 5.4K film at 60 FPS or 5.7K footage at 60 FPS will be pushed. Not only that, but it will aid us in obtaining a better nighttime recording. A 48-megapixel camera, similar to the DJI Mini 3 Pro, would be appreciated. In terms of avoiding obstacles, although the current DJI Air 2S have obstacle sensing in all directions, there are still some blind areas. So to summarize, we anticipate omnidirectional obstacle detecting in the future DJI Air 3. As every new DJI drone comes with a 0 to 3 plus transmission system that can directly transmit live 1080p video at 60 FPS, we may see some better software features such as ActiveTrack 5.0 and APIS 5.0. As a result, the next DJI Air 3 is slated to use a 0 to 3 plus transmission system. In terms of battery life, the Air 2S offers up to 31 minutes of flight duration, which would be amazing if DJI included an intelligent flying battery plus like the Mini 3 Pro. This could help the future DJI Air 3 reach up to 50 minutes of battery life, allowing you to experience easygoing exploring. Before we get into the price leaks for the DJI Air 3, let me inform you about its release date. The Air 2S was released in April of 2021, nearly a year after the previous model, the DJI Air 2. So given the timeline, the Air 3 should have hit the market by now. However, due to the launch of the Mavic 3, Cine 3, and Mini 3 Pro, it was never accomplished. So the next edition of the Mavic line will be released in October 2023, and the Air 3 will be delivered in November 2023. As for the pricing, we don't want DJI to raise it, so we're hoping it stays the same as the Air 2S. In short, the current DJI Air 2S is still a fantastic drone. However, we would want to see its next series include an upgraded sensor. better shooting performance and stability. Another major feature we hope to see in the forthcoming Air 3 is greater battery life. So far, this is all we know about the anticipated DJI Air 3. What are your thoughts and what improvements do you desire? Let us know in the comments area below. And as usual, thanks for watching the video. Please like and share it with your friends. And if you found it useful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this in your feed.